Tower, good morning, Etihad 28, hold short Delta 1.
Etihad 28, Edinburgh Tower, good morning, hold Delta 1.
Hold Delta 1, Etihad 28.
Clear to land, Jersey 3 Victor Alpha.
Etihad 28, behind the landing, dash 8, short final, via Delta 1, line up and wait, runway 24, behind.
Behind landing, dash 8, runway 24, line up and wait, behind Etihad 28.
Victor Papa, contact Edinburgh ground 121.750.
121.750, Jersey 3 Victor Papa.
Etihad 28, runway 24, cleared for takeoff, surface wind 340 less than 5, zone between 270 and 020 degrees.
Clear for takeoff, runway 24, Etihad 28, thanks.
Good morning, Jersey 8 Foxtrot Romeo, ILS T4.
Jersey 8 Foxtrot Romeo, Edinburgh Tower, good morning, continue approach, 1 to depart ahead, surface wind 340, 5 knots.
Continue, Jersey 8 Foxtrot Romeo.
Etihad 28, contact Scottish Control, 130.975, have a good flight.
30975, Etihad 28, bye bye.